Okay, so when it comes to managing small apartments, and that is if you're going to manage yourself, it's 100% wise to create a budget. Property management companies do this when they overtake a property. But if you're going to manage yourself, how in the world would you know what to manage, what to budget? Well, this is how the spreadsheet comes into play. It's a calculator. You plug in some numbers. It's going to give you the totals per month and then total per year, as you can see in these different columns right over here. I just threw in any type of number over here, as you can see. But as I move, you're going to notice that it's very detailed. It may be actually a little bit too much information, but I will always have more information than not enough. It gives you things to think about. Look at this. As I said, it's comprehensive. And one idea is that if you're self-managing, you can also just hire a consultant, a property management company, and just say, hey, can you give me an hour or 2 hours of your time to help set a budget for my property? And let them work with you to create a budget. And then, of course, stick with the budget. You see that? And then we have capital expenditures too. Okay, well, that's a little short and skinny on this operating budget that you can get if you're going to self-manage your small apartment.